Hi, thanks for checking out our latest van conversion. This is a 2021 Ram ProMaster 159 wheelbase high roof. This is the 2500. Let's go inside and check out what we have to offer. Again, this van is a 2021 brand new Ram ProMaster 2500 159 wheelbase high roof. It has about 400 miles on it. It features Uconnect wireless phone connectivity with hands-free controls. Has plenty of USB charging ports, AUX connectivity, has a rear view camera, and a touchscreen control panel. Starting from the front of the van, we have both the driver and the passenger on full 360-degree swivel seats, and they lock in both 45 and 90-degree positions. In this van, we have multiple seating options. We have both the passenger and the driver's seat, plus we also have a wide Ottoman here. Next to the Ottoman, we have a Lagoon swivel table, which rotates and mounts in every single direction. So you can swivel around, you can use it as the driver, passenger, or also in the Ottoman position. You can also use it for food prep as well. Also, in the front of the van, we have a carpeted platform with additional AC outlets to be able to plug in all your devices. We also have a blackout curtain to block out the light and also keep it better insulated. And the storage Ottoman is also a heater, and for additional safety, we're including a fire extinguisher and carbon monoxide detector. Above the Ottoman, we have two upper cabinets. Both of them are on hydraulic struts to be able to keep them open while you're accessing what's inside. Next to the Ottoman, we have the electrical panel. We'll start with the left. We have fully dimmable, adjustable, recessed LED lights in the ceiling. We have a shower light inside the shower. We have color LEDs underneath the upper storage cabinets. In this van, we actually also installed a 4-camera 360-degree security camera system, and this is accessible via Wi-Fi from your phone app. And this also records as well to a hard drive. Below that, we have 12-volt and USB outlets, as well as 110-volt standard wall house outlets. We have a 2,000-watt inverter, and that's the control switch for the inverter. We have a remote fan for the Max Air 7500K roof vent fan. And then we have a heater control panel. One of the nicest features that we've installed in this van is a large indoor shower. The shower features an RV shower head, which saves water. We've also have a single piece 3-foot by 2-foot surround and a Thetford porta potty toilet. There's also a RV shower door which keeps all the water out of your living space. This van conversion features a large kitchen overlooking a window so you can look outside while you're doing all of your cooking. We've installed a 2-foot folding extendable leaf, giving you additional counter space for all of your cooking needs. Whenever you don't need it, it easily folds down and stows away. Next to the leaf, we have a large farmhouse sink with a swivel faucet with both hot and cold water. Below that, we have a Dometic RV 12-volt fridge with both a fridge and a removable freezer. Next to the sink, we have a 2-burner propane stove, which allows for full-size pots and pans for all of your cooking. We also have large, fully extendable drawers, giving you plenty of space and lots of storage. And they feature soft closing slides, and they also have RV latches so they don't come out while you're driving. Next to the drawers are full counter depth pantries, giving you additional storage space. We also have a real tile backsplash, and above that we have additional storage, again with hydraulic struts, keeping them open whenever you are using them. Next to that, we have a full height wardrobe, and we've installed a closet rod so you can hang up any clothes you might have, and then a shelf for some additional storage. For the climate control of the van, we've installed a Max Air 7500K vent fan, which is the top of the line vent fan that Max Air offers. It operates both in rain and shine. It offers 10 speeds. It goes in and out so you can have the air sucking or blowing, and you can also set the thermostat for self-control. At the rear of the van, we've installed a Dometic Gris 2 13,500 BTU AC, which operates off the battery for short periods of time, but it's mainly meant to operate off of shore power. This build features a RV queen size platform bed with a memory foam mattress. Below the bed, we have a garage access panel, giving you easy access to all of your storage below the bed. Both the walls of the bed, the foot and the head, both have vinyl waterproof material, making cleaning super easy. Above the bed, we have 3 upper cabinets, again on self-opening gas struts, an LED light. At the foot of the bed, we have a storage unit with additional USB charging. Some exterior features of this van: we have 4 cameras going on each side of the van, giving you 360 degrees to connect to the security camera system. We also have a rooftop AC Dometic Gris Evolution 2 13,500 BTUs, 360 watts of solar panels, and a Max Air 7500K vent fan. We also have a OEM window, and below the van is a 14-gallon gray water tank hooked up to a standard RV dump valve. The electronics of this van are housed in the rear of the garage, making them very easy accessible. It's outfitted with Renogy electronics. We have a 20 amp DC to DC battery charger, which automatically charges the battery of the van while you're driving. The battery is housed under the hot water heater, and it's a 200 amp hour lithium battery. We also have a 2000 watt inverter, which powers all of your 110 volt AC outlets. We have a 40 amp Renogy solar charge controller, which uses the 360 watts of solar on the roof to charge the battery. We also feature a 5 amp Victron battery charger, which connects to the shore power to charge your batteries if you ever have that option available. We also have Bluetooth connectivity for both the Victron charger and also the Renogy electronics to be able to monitor all the statuses of the electronics via your smartphone. All the plumbing is housed in the garage as well, also making it very easily accessible. We have a 30-gallon water tank, giving you plenty of water for both your shower and your sink. We have a 12-volt water pump, an accumulator tank hooked up via quiet hoses, making it very quiet operation. We also have a rear hose sprayer to spray off anything that you might want to spray off from the back of your van. We have easy access water fill to fill up your 30-gallon water tank. And there's also a city water option available on the outside of the van. All this is hooked up to a 4-gallon Bosch hot water electric heater, giving you a very safe option for heating all of your water. Thanks for checking out our conversion. If you want to start your next van adventure, this van is for sale, so see the information in the description below for more information. Thanks again for watching.